If Paul was here, he'd be howling at the moon for us, because on Friday, you're going to be able to see what they call the worm moon. It's extra special because it'll be a total lunar eclipse, the first in nearly 3 years to be visible all across the U.S. The moon's going to be this striking red color, so very interesting to see. And now we've got our very own expert on the matter, Joy Bettenhausen. Joy, thank you for joining us today. Explain this to us. What is a lunar eclipse?
Yeah, Matt, happy to join you. So a lunar eclipse is like a solar eclipse. We're just mixing some things out, right? So you have the sun, earth, and moon, and essentially the earth gets in between the sun and the moon. Well, obviously, the sun is a whole lot bigger, right? So it's still able to cast some light around Earth's atmosphere, but it essentially blocks it out. So we're still able to see the moon. So you may have heard the term blood moon, and that's essentially what we're going to see tomorrow morning with its peak at 1:58. The reason why we see kind of that orange reddish color and not any other color is the orange and red wavelengths are a little bit longer than blue and violet, and those wavelengths are actually able to still cut through Earth's atmosphere, and that's why we're going to see an orange reddish moon 1:58 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Out of this world. So when was the last time we saw something like this?
It was just about 3 years ago, November 8th, 2022. I remember I was here a few months before that, and we have great photographers across the state. They sent in some of those cool photos, but it was only a partial eclipse, so it looked like somebody just took a bite out of the moon. So this time we get the full experience.
Well, they say the moon's made out of cheese, so you can get your nibble in there. So get the viewers ready. Who is going to see this, and where can you see it from? We got to get the lawn chairs out.
Yes, so it looks like the cloud cover is actually going to clear out if there is any, so I think sky conditions are going to be great. The total kind of time for the lunar eclipse is roughly about 1 hour, 1:30 to 2:30 a.m., but it's going to reach its peak at 1:58, so make sure to look up high in the sky. That moon's going to be shining bright, and it's a full moon, our worm moon, and so this can't happen without the full moon, so this is happening literally right on time.
Perfect. I know the two of us have early morning schedules working the morning show, but what is your choice of snacks for taking out to watch a moon like this if you were heading out to hang out? Are you a candy person? You going popcorn? It's National Popcorn Day. What are you going with?
Ooh, I'm such a candy person, and I gave up chocolate and dessert for Lent. So
yes.
in the back of my head, it's just chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. So I'd probably go for a Snickers. What about you, Matt?
I'm a popcorn person through and through, extra butter. That's what I'm going with. I forgot you were giving up the sweets for Lent. We're ready to get the joy of baking back engaged. We need some more recipes that I can salivate over when they pop up on my social feed.
Yes, I'm happy to bring those to you. I didn't get to taste test it, but I'm making one. Look out for it to drop tomorrow.
All right, perfect. Maybe we can get a few in the shape of a moon. We'll celebrate this moon occasion with some sweets when we get back to it. Joy, thank you for joining us today. We appreciate the insight on all of this because it's a cosmic experience out there. We're ready to take it in.
Yes, happy to join you. Thanks, Matt.
All right, thanks. Have a great day.